Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, let me introduce myself. My name is Venoris Arafari Murti. You can call me Veno. My name is 19, 24, 12, and 24. My class is 19.1b.05. I'm here to give my opinion about smoking in campus area. Based on research, smoking behavior often occurs in academic environments such as campus. Smoking on campus has a significant impact on the health of individuals and communities around campus. Smoking behavior has a negative impact on people who do not smoke, namely through exposure to cigarette smoke. Prevention of smoking behavior on campus cannot be ignored. With the health risk posed by smoking, it is important for educational institutions to take concrete steps to create a campus environment that is healthy and free from smoking. Through preventive efforts, education, and healthy behavior programs in the campus environment, it is hoped that the prevalence of smoking behavior can be reduced. In order to maintain the health and welfare of the academic community, empowering community around campus and controlling the impact of smoking also needs to be strengthened to create a healthy and smoke-free campus environment. Hello, I'm here to presentation adverb of frequency. Adverb of frequency is an adverb that indicates how often an activity occurs. In English, these words help us express routines and habits more accurate. Definition: adverbs that show the frequency or frequency of an action or event. Function: provides information about how often something occurs in a sentence. Position: usually placed before the main verb or after the auxiliary verbs. Why is the adverb of frequency important? 1. Communication clarity. Helps convey information about routines and habits more precisely. Language efficiency. Allows speakers to express frequency without needing to explain at length. 3. Nuance of meaning. Provides different nuance in expressing daily activities. Types of adverb of frequency. 1. High frequency. Always, usually, often, frequently, shows frequently occurring activities. 2. Intermediate frequency. Sometimes, occasionally, indicates activity that occur occasionally. 3. Low frequency. Rarely, seldom, hardly ever, never, describes activities that rarely or never occur. Frequency of use of the adverb of frequency. The most frequently, always, never, sometimes, used in everyday conversation and formal greeting. Quite often. Often, usually, common in spoken and written language. Seldom. Seldom, rarely, more often encountered in formal or literary context. Change in meaning based on adverb of frequency. 1. Positive to negative. Always happy positive versus never happy negative show extreme difference. 2. Neutral to positive. Sometimes exercise versus often exercise describes an increase in positive frequency. 3. Negative to positive. Early studies versus usually studies show improvement in habits. Adverb of frequency in of sentence. 1. Before the main verb. For example, She always drink coffee in the morning. 2. After auxiliary verbs. For example, they have never been to Paris. 3. At the beginning of the sentence. For example, sometimes we go to the beach or weekends. Formula adverb of frequency. 1. Adverb of frequency for verbal sentence. In sentence that have verb, the adverb of frequency is placed before the main verb. Formula: subject plus adverb of frequency plus verb. For example of sentence, she always ate breakfast at 7 a.m. Adverb of frequency in nominal sentence. Nominal sentence or are sentence that used to be am, is, are, was, were. In this pattern, the adverb of frequency is placed after to be to indicate the frequency of the condition or state of the subject. Formula: subject plus to be plus adverb of frequency. For example, he is always on time. 3. Adverb of frequency for emphasis. For emphasis, the adverb of frequency can be placed at the beginning of a sentence before the subject to highlight how often a person performs an action. Formula: adverb of frequency plus subject plus verb plus predicate subject plus verb plus predicate plus adverb of frequency. For example, always Alfie come late to the office. 4. Adverb of frequency in interrogative sentence. To make an interrogative sentence, usually use how often, followed by an auxiliary verbs, do, does, did, subject, and main verb. Formula: auxiliary verb plus subject plus adverb of frequency plus verb plus predicate plus interrogative. For example, do you often come here? 5. Adverb of frequency with modal verbs and auxiliary verbs. When using modal verbs, can, could, will, would, should, must, or auxiliary verbs have, has, am, is, are, was, were, the adverb of frequency is placed after the modal or auxiliary verbs and before the main verbs to show the frequency of action. Formula: subject plus modal verb plus adverb of frequency plus main verb. For example, he can always find a solution to the problem. Example use adverb of frequency. Always. She always wakes up at 6 a.m. Usually, he usually takes the bus to work. Often. They often go to the gym after work. Sometimes. We sometimes eat out on weekends. Occasionally. She occasionally visits her grandparents. Seldom. They seldom eat fast food. Rarely. We rarely go to the movies. Hardly ever. He hardly ever eats out. Never. He never smokes. Adverb of definite frequency. The correct use of the adverb of definite frequency is to pay attention to the frequency of an event or event at a specific time. This time, information must be explained when the event often occurs. Phrases that include adverbs of definite frequency, namely hourly, daily, weekly, monthly, every, yearly, every second, twice a year, once a minute, twice, once, or 3 times. Example adverb of definitive frequency. Number 1. I and my family go to the zoo every week to see our favorite orangutan or favorite animals. Number 2. Every 5 minutes his alarm rang. Number 3. My mother wakes me up every morning to have breakfast. Number 4. Every time I see him, he keeps looking at this pond. Number 5. His father keeps changing his car monthly. Number 6. Our family traveling yearly to get some healing, and this year we will go to New Zealand. Adverb of indefinite frequency. Unlike the adverb of definite frequency, specifically, the adverb of indefinite frequency does not need to know the specific time. The time information in question is the estimate time or time range that often occurs. You can use this adverb of indefinite frequency with the following percentage: 100%, always, consistently, usually, normally, frequently, regularly, often. 50%, sometimes, rarely, occasionally, infrequently, rarely, hardly ever. 0%, never. For example, adverb of indefinite of frequency. Number 1. He always studies so hard in English course. He wants to be a winner of spelling bee competition. Number 2. Veno visits the library frequently. He loves to read books. Number 3. I hardly ever see Tom in low spirit just like now. Maybe there is something wrong with him. Number 4. I never found someone like you, the one who keeps trying hard in every situation. Dialogue. For example, Julie. So, what do you do in your free time? Richard. Well, I always watch TV in the evening. What about you? I go jogging and I sometimes meet friends in the evening. How often do you go jogging? I go jogging every morning. And you? I hardly ever go jogging, maybe once a year. Do you cook? No, I never cook. I always order pizza. And you? I cook every day. I love cooking. How often do you travel? I travel twice a year. In winter, usually go skiing. Do you travel? Yes, every summer I relax on the beach, but I rarely travel in winter. Practice using the adverb of frequency. Make your own sentence using adverbs of frequency. Use each of the following adverbs of frequency in your own sentence. Conversation. Practice using adverbs of frequency in everyday dialogue. Daily journal. Write down your routine using various adverbs of frequency. Conclusion and reflection. Number 1. The importance of exercise. Using adverbs of frequency will become more natural with the regular practice. Number 2. Increased expression. Adverbs of frequency enrich the ability to express routine in English. Number 3. Practical application. Use adverbs of frequency in everyday conversation to improve fluency. Thank you. We are very grateful for this opportunity to share knowledge about adverbs of frequency. Hopefully, this presentation will help you understand this concept better. See you.